human-in-the-loop transfer learning in collision avoidance of autonomous robots. You might call it common sense, or gut instinct, or a hunch. But what is it? What is intuition? And what would it mean for AI to possess it? In today's paper, researchers explore that idea with a new technique based on RLHF, reinforcement learning with human feedback. They argue that they've developed a better way to transfer knowledge to a model during feedback rounds, creating something akin to intuition. In today's episode, we'll start by exploring how neural networks are used in autonomous driving, how they help with collision detection, and how human feedback is used to reduce the need for trial and error. Then, we'll walk through these authors' contribution, a new framework that can harness human expertise and transfer it to a model more successfully, creating what they argue might just be the AI equivalent of common sense. If you already subscribed to our email newsletter, you'll be getting this episode in text and audio form delivered to your inbox in the next few hours. Journal Club, the latest academic research explained in plain English.